Ayun guys, before anything else, good evening sa inyong lahat. So, gusto ko lang ma-express yung feelings ko tonight kasi it's really sad and nakaka-disappoint lang na you did your best. Parang ginagawa mo yung lahat ng makakaya mo to make them happy. And then ginagawa mo yung part mo as you, di ba? Kasi alam naman natin na bilang part ng LGBT community, syempre, we cannot deny the fact na sometimes we are the source of happiness to others. Syempre, parang minsan, napapaisip tayo, di ba? May mga pagkakataon o may mga oras talaga na minsan nag-breakdown